In a world where financial independence is the ultimate dream, how do you set yourself on the path to becoming a millionaire? Today, I'm going to reveal the top 10 money habits that can transform your financial future. Habit 1. Budget like a pro. Successful millionaires know the importance of tracking every dollar they earn and spend. By creating a detailed budget and sticking to it, you gain control over your financial destiny. Habit 2. Pay yourself first. Instead of spending everything you earn, make it a habit to save a portion of your income before anything else. By prioritizing saving, you build wealth over time. Habit 3. Invest wisely. Millionaires understand that money needs to work for you, not the other way around. Learn about various investment opportunities and make informed choices to grow your wealth. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Successful millionaires know the power of their network. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you to reach higher financial goals. Habit 5. Continuously educate yourself. Knowledge is power, especially in the realm of finances. Stay updated with the latest financial trends, attend workshops, read books, and expand your financial literacy. Habit 6. Avoid debt traps. Millionaires understand the dangers of drowning in debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and avoid unnecessary borrowing, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money for yourself. Habit 7. Set ambitious goals. Millionaires dream big and set specific, achievable goals. By having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish financially, you stay motivated and focused on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Habit 8. Multiple streams of income. Diversify your income sources to increase your earning potential. Millionaires often have multiple revenue streams, allowing them to tackle financial challenges and build wealth faster. Habit 9. Embrace delayed gratification. Millionaires are patient when it comes to spending money. Avoid impulse purchases and prioritize long-term financial stability over short-lived material pleasures. Habit 10. Take calculated risks. Successful millionaires know that taking calculated risks is an essential aspect of building wealth. Embrace opportunities that have the potential to provide significant returns. By incorporating these 10 money habits into your daily life, you too can set yourself on the path to financial success and become a millionaire. Remember, it all starts with cultivating the right money habits. Start today and unlock your potential to become a millionaire.